I don't know what's going on, but I hear a low rumble. And it is deep, deep rumble. Everybody's hearing it. They don't know what it's coming from. This is apocalypse. My mom would say, "Oh, Jesus is coming." Heard that for 50 years. Now my granddaughter's saying, Jesus is coming. Wow, wow, wow.